Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for December 10th through the 14th. On Friday, you guys should have received an e-notes to let you know that we have decided to early release on the 14th so that we as a school district and community can go out and support our Brock Eagles as they have advanced into the state semifinals in Frisco at the Star. Kickoff is at 4 o'clock, so we're very excited that we get to go out and support our team. So our buses from starting at the elementary will run at 11:50 that day. Now, one of the things is if we know that sometimes this can be difficult for some of our families, and so if you are needing to discuss making some other arrangements where they may need to stay, just call the office and we will see what we can do for you. So please know that that is an option. But the buses will run that day at 11:50 a.m. starting at the elementary campus, and you can see the times for the other campuses if you have students. Again, last week we had this out there, but we're super proud of our Brock Elementary UIL participants as they did a fabulous job in Toller a couple weeks ago, and so if you would like to check out the results, you can do that here. Also, here's a bunch of upcoming events on the campus. We have a lot of things going on leading into the break, and so we're just very excited about a fun 2 weeks, and that's what we have going on. So if you have any questions, concerns, or anything, always feel free to reach out. My email is egriffith@brockisd.net, and I hope everyone has a great week. Go Eagles!